Quit going to college. Quit your job. You're never going to learn how to make any money going to college or working a job. I worked 10 different jobs. I tried going to college for 4 different years. I didn't get any closer to making money or to becoming successful. These are such sinister little lies that we've been taught by our family, by our friends, by the media, and by our teachers, that you're going to get ahead in life going to college or working a job. Now, you want a mansion. You want a Lamborghini. You want to travel the world with your friends and make some serious cash. You're not going to get that working a job or going to college. I make $10,000. This is $10,000 every